Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about surviving against in-app purchases in the game Respawnables. Now for most people that have started playing in-app purchases will mercilessly troll you. Now if you want to survive against them, you have to follow these tips and tricks that I will show you in today's video. Now the most common pack for in-app purchases today is the Fire Spitter, Rainbows and Sabotage pack. And be sure to stay away from trap metal that in-app purchases or normal pro players, because if you fall for that, you will instantly lose. Now without further ado, let's begin the video. Number 1 tip: fight them with the blunderbuss. Now most people will say they die before they get close. Now if this happens, find a corner and hide there and wait for enemies to come. But be sure to move or you'll be kicked off by the thug. Number 2, be aware from the death from below skill. Now most players forget about the death from below skill and go on ahead by killing to take that bonus point. Now you have to stay away from that, or else you will lose against the in-app purchase or the whole game. Now the third tip is use the bow at your disposal against in-app purchases. Now the best weapon to beat them is the bow, because it can kill in-app purchases from long shot. Best for taking out in-app purchases that have fire spitters. Tip number 4: never bring a bazooka or heavy machine gun to the fight. Now if you bring these weapons, you will not win like at all, because I tried once to beat him. I did not win. So if you want to win against them, do not bring these weapons, or else you will die, or a noob who have started playing can kill you. Now number 5, use the Thompson 45. Now for the pro players that have unlocked the Thompson 45, use it, because you can win with this weapon. Now remember one more thing: if you don't have the Thompson 45, use any other weapon that can one-shot enemies, like the bow or any else. Number 6, never buy glass cannon or any glass cannon, rock endurance skill, or fast and angry 1, 2, 3, or zombie bomb. Now if you buy these, you will die, because these masterites do not help you, and I repeat, do not help you at all. They help you a little, but they help your enemies big time. For example, you just scored a kill, you buy these, and you thought, well, I'll use these and win. You won't, because there will be one thing that can kill you. The noob player can kill you by this. The rock endurance skill makes you stay in one position but increase your defense, but lets you stay. You cannot move like at all. Don't buy glass cannon. It can increase your damage, but you lose half your health. But zombie boom doubles your base health, but you lose your automatic regeneration. Now you never should use the fast and angry. If you buy these, your defense goes down. Your accuracy might be increasing, but you will receive damage while standing still. Now if you lose against normal players, don't worry, because it can happen to anyone, like me. Number 7, use the ballistic knife at any weapon. Using this combo is the most trickiest to do, because the player can kill you before you even get near them. But it is all about timing. Focus on the enemy, not at anyone. Focus and you win. Number 8, use the energy grenade and any weapon. Well, using this combo is the most trickiest thing also, because all you have to do is throw the grenade and hope your enemies fall for the trick. But I personally recommend that you use stun grenades, because buying energy grenades cost you a fortune, but stun grenades don't. I personally use this combo with airsoft to humiliate the other. So guys, that's it for this video. Now, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. If you want, I can also make PUBG Mobile, Fortnite tips and tricks. And in the future videos, if you want, comment, put any comment in the comment section. Put a comment that a challenge, Respawnable challenge, or any other game challenge video. I'll do it for you. Like you use the rookie machine gun and get 10 kills. It will be hard, but I will do it. So if you enjoyed, please hit that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.